Welcome to tankwashdirectory.com. We are the most up-to-date directory of tank wash locations in the United States and Canada. Tank wash customers have the ability to sign up for a free account, where they have access to features like favorites and personal notes about providers, good or bad. To make sure potential customers have access to the most accurate information about your location, we encourage you to create an account so you can directly manage the information about your facility. This demo explains how to create an account, create a new location, update current locations, and claim an existing location as your own as a tank wash operator. Let's get started. To register for tankwashdirectory.com, navigate to the top right corner and click on Register. Proceed to fill out the form with your name, email address, and then create a password. For operators, we would prefer a business email to be used, as it makes the verification process quicker. Next, make sure to check off the box for Tank Wash Provider, as the default is for Tank Wash customers. Click and read through the terms of service and privacy policy, then check the box and click Register. You will then be directed to the following page, stating that an email has been sent for verification. We will jump into our email next slide. This is the email you should have received. Next, click the Verify Email Address button. If the button does not redirect you, you can copy and paste the URL on the bottom instead. Now, log in with your email and password that you entered while registering. Your screen will look like this once you are logged in. Your ability to use operator features like adding new locations will be activated once your account has been authenticated by our staff. You will be notified by email when the account is ready. We will next demonstrate how verified operators can use the system to set up a new location. Now to create a location. Navigate to the My Locations tab at the top of your screen. This is where your locations will appear once entered. Click the Create a Location button to get started. Enter the correct information into the fields. The primary contact person is only visible to us at Tank Wash Directory, so enter whoever you want to be in contact with us for support purposes. Then enter the contact's email and phone number. Enter the business email and phone number in the general email and number fields. This will be what potential customers will see when viewing your location. If you have an after-hours phone number, it can be added later in the business hours comments. Continue to enter your location's address, and then we will jump into the services and container types categories. Please double-check your address. For the location to show up on our map, the address must be valid. Now, let's scroll into the Services section. Read over the service options and check the boxes for services you provide. This allows customers to focus on the most relevant providers based on location, services offered, and asset service. By providing a comprehensive listing, you increase your visibility to potential customers. You can add additional information about your services using the Services Comments box, which will also be visible to visiting customers. Now, follow the same process for container types. Check off the container types you service from the list and add any container notes if appropriate. Now scroll down to the Driver Amenities section. These are not required to list, but can help make your business more attractive to the customer. Again, any additional amenities can go in the Notes section. Now fill out your business hours. If your hours are not the same every weekday, you can type in the notes your specific hours. You can also type any additional notes about scheduling or weekend hours. For example, you can say weekends by appointment only. If you have a website or Facebook page, We encourage you to add it in the fields at the bottom so that customers can get more information directly from your page. Check over your entered details one last time, then click Submit at the bottom. You will be brought to your location's newly created page with a green success banner at the top. So here is our location. We can now hit the Save Star button to include it in our favorites list in addition to the My Locations tab. Now, say we want to edit the location. Just hit Edit at the bottom, and you will be brought back into the Creation tab, where you can update or change any information. Make those updates, then click the Submit button at the bottom. Nice and easy. The green banner at the top signifies the changes were made successfully. Lastly, let's say you want to claim a location we have in our directory as yours. The first step is to make sure that it is one of your locations. There will be a Claim Location option at the very bottom of the specific locations page. Click that button and you will be redirected with the success message that the claim was submitted. We will then be in touch with you to verify and transfer the location over to you. We are excited to help you reach more customers through our directory. Thank you for following along, and don't forget to sign up after this video.